Now also because we are now living in a, I would say, in a web kind of society, it even goes beyond the question of how is it being managed, but also who is using that indigenous knowledge systems and for what. Why am I saying so? Because we have issues to do with IP, intellectual property issues. We have issues to do with commodification of cultural knowledge, which is also indigenous knowledge systems. We have issues to do with, misinterpretations, but also we are having also cases where this same knowledge is now being used by non-knowledge holders for monetary purposes, but at the same time, just for them to gain, I would say, including communities without communities. So that, I mean, those are the key aspects when I look at governance. But then when I again look at it outside of just governance of the data, governance of the knowledge systems, and management of the knowledge systems, I will look at it again from a government perspective, which is different from this cultural governance, from this knowledge systems governance, data governance. So the role of governments in ensuring that these knowledge systems are well preserved, I would say sustainably. That is for the future generations. I think the first step for me, and just taking lessons from the cases that I'm seeing here in the Pacific, is number one, the first thing that governments need to do is to decolonize. I don't actually resonate with the term decolonize. If there is a better term, I would have used it. But I would say to relook and review the education system, because everything, it goes back to the education system. So you will notice that we are talking of decolonization within the context of colonization. That's the bigger challenge that we have been facing. So how do we now decolonize, or rather reframe and redefine our curriculum, our education systems, so that number one, it prioritizes indigenous